So their partners, they took off in a white truck. And they took off. They're like, we got other stuff to do. We don't need to harass somebody that's got a camera. Taking photos of nature. Black lab. My sister just got a lab. Nice, good dog. Man, these guys take breaks all day long, huh? Alright, that's that. I guess he's satisfied with his suspicion. I just told him I'm not going to answer any of your questions, dude. He already knew. How does he already know if if damage? Chain link fence cost expensive. I don't know how many miles a loop is. I think it's far. I think it's gonna be like 10 miles or something. Now, I didn't just do one. Um, I mean, I'm just right here at this park. I probably walked maybe a mile from the bus stop. I mean, but it's nice here. These guys are hard working at doing their cutting the grass. So there's a little old-fashioned fence that says alcoholic beverages prohibited in this area and do not enter. But I think the do not enter is for vehicles. It's a cool little spot. I think somebody lives there, or maybe one of the park rangers ran out that spot while they were working. But I kind of wanted to show you guys this stuff. It's cool. It's real nice. And people come down here to chillax. And it's like a picnic area. It's pretty nice. This side they have, you know, hi, a little trail down there. Hmm, that looks like damage. If I ever seen damage. Can you guys see that? Old-fashioned train bridge. I think there's trains that still go on it. I'm not sure, but that's the middle trust. That's the middle one. So if that baby was to go out, I mean, of course the whole bridge is gonna go. We seen what happened in where was that? Baltimore. There's another bridge over there. It's in good condition. It's on the other side. It's for traffic only. Well, as you can see, there's a lot of debris. Well, not a lot, but I mean a tree down there. Tree growing out of that one. Another tree growing out of that one. I don't know. This river is the Wenatchee River, and it flows into the Columbia out there, and it goes downstream. So I made it to the end of the bridge, but let me take a look. You guys see the little trails and stuff? People must chill down there sometimes. It's like on this side. It's your trail. Kicker spots. Oh. Oh yeah, okay. I remember these signs now. Warning, no trespassing. So don't go down there to the river. I wouldn't suggest that. Warning, no trespass. Premises protected by 24-hour surveillance. Security Command Center. Alright. I wonder where the cameras are. Gotta be somewhere. Probably down there. Welcome to the Horan Natural Area. We just crossed one of the bridges right there. On this side. Radio towers, Wenatchee River, and the Columbia River. You guys see? Columbia River runs north and south, and Wenatchee River runs into it. Wenatchee River Bridge. Alright, very good.